What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel. I can't believe the month of February is basically over at this point. It just flew by just like that. I blinked and it was gone. So we're gonna go on a little shop update today. I did get a couple packages in the mail, so we're gonna unbox those. I did open them ahead of time, so I do know what's in them, but I'll take them out of the package for you guys just so you can see what I got. My current projects, I was recently getting ready for a craft show that I went to this weekend. The craft show did not go well. I was on my way down to the craft show with my wife. We heard something rattling with the car and the back rear tire blew out. So we were late to the show, and once we got to the show, everything was fine. We got there safely. Nobody was hurt or injured, but we got to the show, sat there for 7.5 or 8 hours and didn't sell a thing. That was kind of disappointing, but you live and learn. I got a new table saw blade finally installed in my table saw, so sorry about the noise. But I got the 50 tooth combination Diablo blade. That was fun and exciting for me because I was using the 40 tooth general purpose blade that came with the saw, so to upgrade was a huge and pleasant experience. Also, I cleaned my table saw off. I doused it with some WD-40, took a pad to it and cleaned it down, so it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. I put some paste wax on it, and now this thing slides real nice, real good. Also, coming up in March, we will have the Makers Rock collaboration with myself and about 30 other makers, so keep an eye out for that. I will be doing the album Brigade by Heart, and that should be a lot of fun. I want to take a quick moment to plug my website. It is cross-cut-creations.com. There you can find my other YouTube videos. I'm working on a gallery. There's a shop there, so if you want to buy apparel and merchandise, I have stickers, I have t-shirts, I have some other hand-turned and handmade items, so go check that out if you're interested. Again, that's cross-cut-creations.com. I'll put a little thing on the screen here. I also launched a Patreon page. I'll put that in the description. I'm still trying to figure out the levels, so if you have any ideas, post them in the comments below and we'll figure this out together. Going along with my website, I have taken to writing articles and putting them on my website. So they're just short little snippets. So if you want to follow up on a video, I usually try and get those out either Thursday night or Fridays sometime. There are follow-up articles on the videos, and I talk a little bit about what goes on in the videos and what I talked about in the videos. Duh. Now that I've rambled for this long, let's go ahead and get to these packages. So this first package I have, I knew this one was coming, and this was from Ken Moon over at Moon Pie Creations. He ended up doing a 30 for 30 giveaway, and I was one of the winners. So let's unbox this and see what's up. Oh, look at that. There's a Moon Pie Creation sticker. So that'll be added to the collection. I need to make a sticker board. So if you guys have any ideas on sticker boards, let me know. Let's open this up and see what we got. Oh, this is nice. So here we have a digital angle finder, and then we also have a depth finder. So that'll come in real handy. I am super excited about that. So thanks, Ken. I will definitely be using these. Thank you, sir. The next one was from one of my Instagram followers. He contacted me and said, you know, I've been doing some casting. I want to send you some blanks. I said, sure, great. So he sent me a package here, and I'll go ahead and take out what's in the bag, or in this box. I took this one out. There were also a couple blanks here. So we have this one. I'm not entirely sure what it is. It looks like there's a question mark. It says, it looks like it's a hybrid of some sort, some kind of resin and wood. I'm not entirely sure what this one is. This one is part of a bourbon barrel, so that'll be cool to turn. I don't know what kind of pen I'll turn, but I'm sure that'll be a cool pen. And then this one was Alumilite, and what I'm thinking is buffer pad. So I'm excited to turn this one. This one was super cool too. He also sent me some polyester resin that he cast. These are 4 blanks that John Pierce cast. That's the name of the gentleman that sent me this, John Pierce. I'll put his Instagram down below. So he cast some green and blue, some purple and orange, some blue and orange, and some orange. So these will be real interesting to cast and real fun real fun to turn, because I've never turned polyester resin, so I'm excited for these. That wasn't even the best part. The best part was what's in this bag. In this bag, it says, I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but this bag is labeled Wall Street 2. So when I opened this bag, I told my wife, I said, I don't know what's in this bag, but it's going to be cool, because these are going to be not label cast, but I said these were going to be tube in castings, and I don't know what's in there, but it's going to be cool. So John Pierce actually really caught me off guard with this. Thank you, buddy. These were amazing. So when I took them out, I was actually pretty overwhelmed, because this was incredible. So what he did was he cast a couple tube in label blanks with my logo in them. I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but I'll put a better picture up in the video. But he cast my logo with these labels. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I actually had both of these packages delivered. Both of these packages arrived as I was uploading last week's carry pen video, and when I opened these, I said I need to make a new carry pen. So that'll be a video in the near future. Moving on to this week's shout out. My shout out, for obvious reasons, is going to be John Pierce. He does have a YouTube channel, but he hasn't put any videos out. He'll comment and interact with people, but he's more active on Instagram. His Instagram is jbob1178. He also did a label casting for Tim Babb, Mike Fulton, and Bob Blanford. I'll link all those videos in the description. Again, thank you, John, for all of the amazing blanks. I can't wait to turn these. These will be an absolute treat, and I can't wait to see what these become. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Next week I'll have another project build. I'll have another project video. I'm looking to do a few things. I've got projects scheduled through March and into April, so this should be a fun, wild next few months if I can get everything done, if I can find the time. If you like the video, make sure to comment, subscribe, give it the thumbs up, share the video if you feel inclined. It helps me out. We'll see you next time.